things we have no idea about.
Oh, no doubt about that.
So we're going to lean on
we'll
you a
need your
little
help,
bit.
yeah.
Yep. And we're going to show you, lean on you guys a little bit. So maybe you can educate us on what we're looking at on a couple of these.
All right, Alex. Steve, Alex from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. What are we going to do?
All right, so we just got a phone call, and something a lot of people don't know we do, Steve. We buy a lot of estates. We go through a bunch of large guns collections, and we just got a lead on a brand new collection that's up for sale right now, and we're going to go check that one out.
All right. Here's my question. It's not a large collection today, right?
Well, it's a large collection, but we probably don't have enough time to bring everything back if we're able to afford it.
All right. Here's my thoughts. Rather than take the van.
Oh, how about we do this?
What?
How about we walk over here and select a vehicle to take?
I know which one I want to take.
All right, so I think our choices are, we could take the pickup truck, we could take the van, right? We could take a car. Which one would you want to take?
I'd like to take that one right there.
The El Camino.
The El Camino.
It's
Come
the
over
best.
here. They got to see this.
It's the best of both worlds. All right. You get the car.
If you guys don't know, Alex is a bit of a car snob.
You get a car, but you also get a truck.
Oh, I wish the sun was out because you could see how sparkly the inside is. You can't see it right now.
So we'll go through some about
let me tell you what a car snob does. Come on over here. Let me show you. Car snob.
I don't know what that means.
That is genuine, actual cow hide on the seats.
And can you imagine, we're getting ready to go meet somebody for the first time to purchase an estate, and we're going to pull up in the El Camino. I think it kind of gives us a little bit of like the edge on buying.
You think? Are they going to be intimidated?
They're going to be like, whoa, these guys are serious.
Right, yes, I'm sure.
Or we're just going to want to have fun, do a little road trip, go check out this estate, hopefully buy it and show you guys what we purchased.
Talk to you shortly. All right, Alex.
Yo.
We are on our way. Tell me about that. First off, do we need jumper cables or anything like that?
Why would you need jumper cables?
Starter fluid?
No.
The younger kids probably don't even know what starter fluid is, do they?
This thing is ready to go.
It's ready to go. All right, what is this? Explain this to me.
It's a 3-speed manual valve body, so it's a turbo 400, but I get to shift it.
Holy cow. Jeez.
There's only one way to leave the shop.
Holy sh...
What?
I think it's got some get up and go, doesn't it?
It does.
All right.
It's a fun car.
All right. Tell everybody bye till we get there.
Hey, we're on our way right now. We'll let you know. All right, guys, this is my 1984 Chevy El Camino. Now, this is probably the newest car that I have, but it is a 5.3 LS swap, 3-speed manual valve body, 355 rear end gears. It is a ton of fun. I'm getting ready to take this thing on a road trip, so I'm putting some miles on it. But I actually got this out of Chicago. It came from Arizona originally. Has real cowhide fur on the seats, gold steering wheel, all the bells and whistles to make this thing absolutely goofy, but I love it.
All right, Alex.
We were able to make a deal.
All right. How many did we get total today?
I think total in the entire deal?
Nope, just today.
All right, we have 18 that we were able to fit into the El Camino, and we brought the ones in cases, and there's a lot in this collection, a lot of really cool things, unique things.
Yeah. We actually didn't get to bring some of the cool stuff with us.
No, we were only able to,
there may be a couple in here.
It looked a little cloudy, so we decided to make sure that we had everything in cases. So
yeah, let me put that into perspective. We started driving there and it started sprinkling a little bit, and we're like, I was like, nah, it's not a big deal. I was like, we should go back and get the van. Well, it turns out he was right. The sprinkling stopped and we're fine.
I'm a weatherman. All right. So guys, what we're going to do, we're going to show you this collection. We were able to buy a huge collection, and we're going to bring some of these to you so you guys can see them. There are a lot, like I said earlier, unique items, including unique calibers, and of course, things we have no idea about.
Oh, no doubt about that.
So we're going to lean on you a little bit.
We'll need your help, yeah.
Yep, and we're going to show you, lean on you guys a little bit, so maybe you can educate us on what we're looking at on a couple of these. Yeah, we were able to purchase them. Did we necessarily know we were buying? No, but we had to buy everything. We couldn't just buy what we wanted. We had to buy everything.
Coolest part about the whole trip, we didn't need jumper cables or starting fluid to get this there and back.
I had full faith. So guys, stay tuned. We're bringing a video to you right after this. I'll show you a handful of these in this video, and then following videos, we're going to show you a little bit more. All right, guys, we brought a little bit of our collection in from our new estate purchase that we just did. This one's pretty neat. It is a Browning Acura, Acera something, Acera. Don't know how they pronounce it, but this one is in 30-06 walnut stock, and it is a straight pull, as you can see here. Now, a couple cool things. If you want to release the straight pull portion of it, you just flip the little switch here after you do it, and that will let you make it safe again. So this one's pretty cool. If you have more information, let me know. All right, so we're going to take out the next one here. And again, we just took out kind of a handful of a couple different ones. One we're going to look at next, it looks like it is a Ruger #1. If you guys haven't seen that kind of a cool falling block look to it. And this one, weird caliber to me. Might not be weird to you, but it is to me. 9.3 by 74R. This is going to have to be a rare one because I didn't know they made a Ruger #1 in that caliber at all. But this one looks a little bit shorter. Nice, beautiful wood on it. Looks like it's been kept in the case its entire life. Looks like it has the original style grease, factory grease on it. I'm going to say this one's going to be unfired. I cannot verify that, but this one, it's not one that you're going to see every day. That's for sure. So let's check out the next one. Again, all these, we're putting every one of these at a penny on our site. And if you have more information on any of them, let me know. Because as you can tell, I really don't know. Let's put this one over here. We got one more over here. We just took a couple of them out that I thought were kind of oddballs. Let me make this one safe. Go ahead and clear it. All right. This one that we are looking at, what was this? Oh, yeah, this is the Tradewinds was the importer of it. What was this? This is a made in Germany. I wrote it down here. It is a Krinko, Krico K603 with a burst scope on it, caliber .268 with a 24-inch barrel, walnut stock. Now this one obviously has a jeweled bolt, some other features on it. I don't know if I've ever heard of it. A Krinko, and definitely caliber 268. But you're going to have a burst scope on it. This, again, will go up for auction here very, very soon. Check our gun broker site for that kind of stuff. Has a couple nicks. Looks like it was in a safe where you'll see it a lot, especially in, well, we'll take this one, where if you put your two guns together in a gun safe, what happens is that bolt likes to slide like this when you take them in and out. And that looks exactly like what happened right there on this one. All right, guys, that is a couple from our newest estate purchase that we just did not too long ago. If you have any information on any of the stuff that we talked about today, please comment down below. Educate us, educate the community in general. If you'd like to see more of the videos, if you'd like to see more of the collection, definitely bloop, bop a doop, comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see more of this stuff. If you would like to talk about some of this stuff, let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want some more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to what we're doing right now. Make sure to like all of our videos and hit the notification button because you'll be able to see when we post stuff every week. All right, guys, we will see you later.